Check out the bomb hotel suite my mommy got me. Look at the bed. Gigantic bed. Two chairs, table, gigantic. We got the came with a robe and the ironing board, robe, gigantic closet, and the TV. It comes with a little seat in front of the bed. Then look at this bathroom. You're gonna die. Look at this long hallway. And look at the bathroom. Look at the gigantic bathtub and sink and toilet. Separate room for the toilet. Pretty pictures on the walls. And there's the Popeyes! Look how little he is on that gigantic bed.